Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing Sena leather cases and their leather wallets that are Magsafe compatible, both items, for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here's the wallet. You have several spots here for money and cards, and then this folds open, so you have two more slots right there. And then when you close it up, you have the Magsafe compatible magnets visible right there. And then here is the Supple leather case in black. They're the same black leather for the case and the wallet, and as you can tell, it sticks on very easily. You have nice felt on the inside to protect the glass of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And you also have the raised area here around the camera cluster to protect the cameras when you have the phone in the case. Button covers right here, switch availability right there, and then power button cover right there. We like the Magsafe compatibility and the leather that comes with each of these products. This is definitely a high-end case and a high-end wallet for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.